All right, you can see I've got a really nice scene here behind me. I'm going to try to create a nice composition there. It's quite a beautiful day here. Okay, now we'll see if we can do this. I really like this scene here. The river comes right over. I'm gonna make it go up there, come right back down here. Then we'll have it be a sharp. This comes over. Not sure how wide to make it actually. Maybe just right in there. You can see how wet that paint really is wet. We got these beautiful, beautiful mountains right here in the background with foothills. And then we've got some trees, a few bigger trees over on this side, some smaller ones over here. Okay, now I'm gonna put out the other paint, the golden paint. I have titanium white, which would be a normal color I would always use here. Then I've got this is cadmium yellow primrose. This is a very light, kind of more like a cadmium lemon. Now I also have some cadmium yellow dark right here, and I'm gonna put some of that down. Now the difference between this and normal acrylics is that slow drying, which means it's gonna be wet pretty much all day long. It probably won't dry for quite a while. I'm gonna put down some neutral gray here. I'm gonna use ultramarine blue here in the corner, because this has a bunch of slow dry medium mixed into it already. This is naphthol red light, and there's the scene as we're going to paint it. Well, apparently I don't really have black. What I might do is take this dioxazine violet and use it as my dark. And I'm probably gonna mix it in with some of my red here. Okay, that'll work. That'll work. This is one of those days that started out so sunny and beautiful. I looked at the weather and it said today is nice until about 1 o'clock. And then it looked like it was almost going to immediately turn into rain. Thankfully, we've gotten a few extra hours. It's been a little bit overcast. Where I am is not very hard to get to. I chose it because it was convenient. I didn't have to hike in or anything like that. Just off the road that leads onto the island where I live. Okay, so tell you what's going to be interesting for me using this paint is how long will it take the painting to dry. I probably won't be used to that, and I'm kind of imagining that I'm going to get paint all over me because I'll expect it to be dry and then it won't be dry. Now this paint is still wet. Kind of wish that I would have painted that well before I came. Smaller little mountains over on this side. They're less significant. In terms of visually, they're nice mountains. They're just not as big. All right, well, this was a lot of fun. My hands are cold, but not too bad. I mean, this is pretty dang good for the middle of December. Super beautiful day, super beautiful evening, and I'm quite happy with this. It was a lot of fun. Okay, so here is the painting back at my studio, and I actually really like it a lot. One of the things that I was talking about, and you can tell when I hold this up, is just how purple that background really influenced all the colors of the painting. The whole thing has a violet hue to it. So I'm gonna do a little bit more work on this at some point, but anyways, that was a fun time. Thanks for joining me, guys. Hey, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Love to hear from you guys. I will see you in the next video.